Okay, we'll write now a special function which will be responsible for updating all the information in our database. We're going now to our NetBeans development environment. We will go to access.php and here we'll write a new function which is insert post function space insert post. Then open the round brackets and curly brackets. We need to have here variables which we want to pass. First of all, it is a user ID, user underscore ID. Then this is a text, and then this is a picture path. Okay, this function is responsible for up or inserting post into table and database. Very good. So definitely we need to write an SQL command. So I'll create a new variable SQL equals to, and let's write in the quotation marks, let's write here insert into, then the name of the table, which is posts, then space. Now we want to set the values. Set user underscore ID equals to question mark, then comma, text equals to question mark, comma, then picture equals to question mark. Okay, this is SQL statement to be run. Okay, after that we need to prepare the statement for execution because question marks will replace with the variables. Okay, here we'll prepare the statement. Statement equals to this connection, then arrow, prepare. Here we are preparing SQL command for the execution. Okay, then we want to check the errors if in the round brackets and the curly brackets, and in the round brackets we write exclamation mark, which is a negative value, means false. If statement is false, means it's not executed, then throw new exception, and then in the round brackets write statement arrow error. So it will throw back the error related to the statement. Show error if statement couldn't be executed. Okay, very good. After that, so we want to replace the question marks with the variables. So here we will write the statement arrow bind parameters. Here parameters will be, this is integer, then string and string, which is a varchar. Integer, string, string. Then here we write user ID, this is integer, then comma, then we have a text, second one, string. After that we put again comma and write picture, which is to be replaced picture question mark, and which is a string, third one. Then put semicolon. Here we are replacing question marks with the variables. Very good, and now we want to execute the statement. Statement arrow execute, semicolon at the end, execute statement, and I want to see some result of this and to store it in some variable. I'll create a new variable which is called result equals to statement execute, and I want to return this result, return result. Execute statement and keep the result in result variable, and we want to return this result. Okay, so here we're inserting posts into table and the database, and we're coming back to our upload post, and after we uploaded the image into database, we'll write a code to update our database. Okay, very good. Here the step 4 will be insert details into database. So I will access the function which we just wrote, insert here post with the user ID, text and picture, and we put semicolon at the end. And I want to track the result of this function. Result variable equals to the executed function. And here I want to write an if statement. If, then we got round brackets, I'll open curly brackets, I immediately will write else statement as well. If result means if everything went fine, then return the status equals to 200 in the quotation marks. Then the message return square brackets question marks message equals to question mark post uploaded successfully. Post is uploaded successfully. And semicolon at the end. Very good. In other case, we want to show an error message. Return the status will be 400 and the message will be something like could not upload the post or something like this. Could not upload post and a semicolon at the end. And the final one, the final step will be to disconnect. We're going to access, then arrow disconnect, and want to throw back the message. Echo JSON underscore encode value return. Very, very, very good. Okay. Disconnect and throw back JSON to the user. Okay, very good. Let's now quickly test this. Here, do one thing, go to your Finder, go to your htdocs, then FB. For this post, right click, go to show info. Where is this? Get info. Here, everyone right here, read and write. Admin read and write. Put here the rights read and write so all people could upload the information into this database. Very good. Okay, now we will write here fb upload post.php missing required information. Okay, question mark user ID equals 22, the user ID of my Joseph user. That is the one. And then text equals to hello post like this. Okay, now it shows error on the 64, cannot use a scalar value as an array. 64, good one. Let's check the post. Everything got uploaded very well, excellent. And let's check what is 64 error message it is throwing back. Upload post PHP 64. Yeah, here we go. It should be return, not result. Post is uploaded successfully. Here we go. Very, very, very good, guys. This is how we will upload our post every time, and we can upload it with some pictures. Okay, with a picture we could test it only with our phone. If you are unable to upload your post successfully, so it means you have done everything correctly, and in case if you cannot upload your post, probably you have done 3 times of mistake. Mistake number 1, make sure that your post table's structure is exactly same as mine. And the step number 2, which you need to check, is to make sure that your full upload post.php code is exactly same like mine and you haven't done any typo. And the step number 3, make sure that the insert post function is written without any typos, and make sure you have been very careful while writing this function as well. So these are only 3 reasons, which could be if you're unable to upload the post. So well done guys, congratulations.